How to insert table of content in Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can insert table of content in Word. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So as you can see, I have this document right here. So this is my front page. Now after this front page, I want to insert the table of content right in this page. So here I have a one blank page, and then my content start from the third piece. Now to insert table of content, what you have to do is first of all head towards your content and make sure that you have highlighted your main topics as heading 1. If not, select your main title and then head towards the heading 1 and set it as an heading 1. So repeat the same with other title as well. So once you're done with that, now in order to enter the table of content, navigate to your blank page. From this menu bar at the top, click on references. Under references, there is this table of content. Click on this drop down. From here, you have to select your preferred format for your table of content. For example, I want to go with the first one right here. Click on it. Wait for a while, and there you have your table of content here. So this is my table of content. And if you want to update your table of content, click on this content 1. Here click on update table, and here it will ask you whether you want to update your page number or your entire table. Select one according to your preferred choice and then click on OK, and then each time your table of content will be updated. So in this way you can add table of content in Word, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.